So today we got another Leatherman charge. I'm going to say so far probably one of my favorite multi-tools, not just Leatherman. I've used and had, we'll get into that here in a little bit. But one thing when I got this one that I realized was they engrave a lot more. I know when I got one of my other tools here, they just did the engraving on the outside. This one does, but they can do knives. And it looks, you can change the fonts, put anything you want. I have used my tools a lot, and it is, even on the blade, it is never worn. There's no chips in it. There's no damage to that at all. So quite surprised and happy about that. Also with this knife, it has been sharpened, but even before I sharpened it, it was still in good shape, and I have used this on anything and everything. So other than the older, I call older models, instead of having a push down button here, they opted for this little lock. So what you do is you push this to the side, and then you can rotate your knives back in, which can be done one-handed. Tell most people to use two hands. It's easier, a little safer. So this model, you got flatheads, pair of scissors in here. So I've used this tool for a good 3 or 4 years. What always happens with scissors is this little lever right here starts to pop out. So when you go to cut something, it pops and then they're stuck like that. And pry it back open. They still work, but these ones haven't started doing that to me yet. They might need to be a little sharpening, but we'll get to that. And also, what I like about this tool a lot is you can interchange their bits. So you have a very, very small Phillips and a very small flathead. And this one doesn't lock into place. I have a very small spring here that just keeps tension on it. So they are small, so you wouldn't want to get on this at all. I have chipped this one ever so much. Probably can't even see it. It still works. On the other side, about changeability, this is probably 90% of the reason why I bought this one. You can change out the bits, and they sell a whole pack of them. You got some, I believe there's some Torx, Phillips, Allen wrenches. So carrying that around, and I wish I had it here. It was a pouch, thicker than this. It was a thick plastic, but about this size. I mean, and it would hold all the bits in it. I never had one fall out. I never lost a bit. I just don't have this anymore. So this model does come with the replaceable cutter heads. The pliers finally broke. I was pulling out, or attempting to pull out, a staple. And as I got underneath it and it was pulling, I was not in a good angle. The tool ended up slipping. I was like, well, I can just wiggle it out, pop that right off. So leverage, it hadn't broken. It was pretty strong. But if you go this way and trying to lift something or bend something up, that seemed to be its weak point. I did file a claim with them. They're going to honor it. The one thing I didn't realize was that you pay for shipping. Not that big of a deal considering some of these tools can be a few $100s for free repair. I haven't gotten around to it. I got the paperwork, so I'll probably send this one in the last video that had broken too. I might try to just send them together and see what happens. And once I get it back, I'll show it off again.